Welcome to Revolution of Sales and Marketing with AI. 90% of sales managers can be replaced with this Xbot. Let's watch Xbot customized for marketing agency Spark Innovations. As the conversation begins, the AI bot activates and introduces itself, providing short instructions on how it can assist the customer. The customer presents their query to the AI bot, which utilizes natural language processing to understand and categorize the request accurately. The AI bot accesses its database to provide a personalized response, demonstrating its capability to pull relevant information based on the customer's needs. When discussing services, the AI bot outlines the available marketing services, emphasizing its efficiency and the benefits of each option. Xbot showcases its advanced capabilities, such as analyzing trends or making personalized recommendations, highlighting the technological sophistication behind its responses. For complex questions, the bot demonstrates its problem-solving skills, either by providing a detailed answer or by seamlessly escalating the query to a human team member if necessary. As the interaction wraps up, the AI bot offers further assistance, asks for any additional queries, and provides guidance on the next steps, ensuring a smooth end to the conversation. Finally, the AI bot may invite the customer to provide feedback on their experience, showing its role in continuous improvement and customer satisfaction efforts. And yes, it can generate images if needed.